Welcome you all for Soulful Mondays. Thank you for regularly joining and giving us opportunity to serve you. Thank you so much. So, though who are joining this session for the first time? आपने पहले कभी ज्वाइन नहीं किया, आज फर्स्ट टाइम आप ज्वाइन कर रहे हो. सो बेसिकली व्हाट वी डू, वी ट्राई at least alternate Mondays we come online where we talk about certain topic. हम कोई टॉपिक के बारे में बात करते हैं and then we do a mass healing session. And today's topic is mindfulness. So let's start with invocation. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale the fresh prana. Hold your breath. Exhale. Be aware of your crown center. Repeat after me. To the Supreme God, to my spiritual teacher, to all the spiritual teachers, holy masters, holy angels, archangels, all the great, great ones, especially to the healing angels and ministers, we humbly invoke you to bless us with your soothing, purifying, healing light. Thank you for blessing us with divine light, divine love, divine power, with divine mercy, guidance, help, protection, good health, happiness, peace, and joy. Thank you for blessing us with a sharp, intelligent mind, with a kind, loving heart, and an iron will to live a good life. Thank you for blessing us to be more mindful of our thoughts, words, actions, and behaviors. Thank you for the blessings of success, progress, prosperity, abundance, and spirituality. With thanks and in full faith. Thank you. Atma Namaste. I salute the divinity within all of you. Thank you so much for joining. So today's session is mindfulness. So what is mindfulness? Basically, mindfulness, it is a part of most of the religion, but especially in Buddhism, it was popularized, and in recent world also we use it. But it's all about being fully present. Most of us, have you experienced, हमारा mind एक तो past में होता है या future में होता है? How many of you experience that? We get overwhelmed. Some of us, we have lot many responsibilities. आपका office work है, family responsibility, your personal health, so many things going on, and sometimes it's too much for us. It's like कैसे handle करें? एक चीज कर रहे हैं, दिमाग हम physically एक जगह present होते हैं, but mentally कहीं और होते हैं. Have you experienced that? How many of you have experienced this? Let me know in the chat. Sometimes we react and later we realize कि यार मैंने क्यों react किया, ये चीज को शायद मैं अच्छी से बोलती तो चीजें और कुछ होती. But sometimes we are not able to manage that overthinking, what's going on mentally, the unrest going there. Sometimes it comes verbally also. और हमारे रिलेशनशिप में कड़वाहट आ जाती है, प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाते हैं. समटाइम्स इट शोज ऑन आवर फेस, दैट क्रिएट्स प्रॉब्लम्स इन डिफरेंट एरियाज, एट आवर वर्क प्लेस, एट आवर पर्सनल लाइफ. समटाइम्स वी आर डिप्रेस्ड एंड वी डोंट नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. समटाइम्स स्ट्रेसफुल, एंशियस, फोकस नहीं कर पाते, कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर पाते हैं, कभी कभी डिसीजन लेने में दिक्कत होती है. मैनी ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम हैपन्स बिकॉज वी आर नॉट प्रेजेंट, फुल्ली प्रेजेंट इन द मोमेंट. आइदर वी आर टू मच वरिंग एंड अबाउट द फ्यूचर, कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, ठीक से होगा या नहीं, और वी आर जस्ट बीइंग इन द पास्ट कि मेरे साथ ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ, व्हाई थिंग्स वेर रॉन्ग. So it's the idea of mindfulness is to be present in this moment, which will help us to deal with many of the problems. There was a time in my life also, I used to feel overwhelmed in between, handling two kids, work, my workshops on weekend, most of the weekends, traveling, healings, counseling. Then students contact me so much. Like still there is, but you will see that a lot of calmness I have, because when I'm present at one place, I'm there. Otherwise, because being in a healing profession, especially in pranic healing, we get patients जिनको बहुत severe problems होते हैं. Normal problem के लिए लोग हमारे पास नहीं आते. So I'm not just with them. I used to take them with me at home. कि क्यों इतना दुख है भगवान दुनिया में, क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है. That used to come, and then how I can help them, what else I can do, that used to be there. And because at home they were in my mind, मैं family life को, personal life को time नहीं दे पाती थी. And I started compromising on that. And then I realized that my energies were going low. I was not up to the mark. I'm talking about this 2010, 2011, initial 13. No, not when I started my center. That time it was much. And then you have the targets, you have the next course coming up, lots of things going on. And especially after then kids being there, it was there. But when I made a choice of being mindful by the choice of being present wherever I am, and that's the formula I have been practicing for many years. So when I'm in conducting workshop, I'm there. Like now I'm there with you completely. My kids are not there in my mind. My kal kya hoga wo mere dimag mein nahi hai. So what I'm going to share with you is something I have practiced, and it has brought lot of calmness in my personality. Hmm? Because I'm a personality where things should be like this. I should be in action, people around me should be in action. But it's not like that. It should not be like that always. Because वो हमारा रेस्टलेसनेस वो आजू बाजू लोगों में भी रेस्टलेस आ जाता है. सो आज जिस टॉपिक में बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, द माइंडफुलनेस इस ऐसी चीज है जो मैंने प्रैक्टिस की और मैं कर रही हूँ कई सालों से. सो फ्यू टेक्निक्स आई विल शेयर विथ यू. एंड आपको जो पसंद आए वो टेक्निक आप अपना के उसको प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. सो पहली चीज मैं बता सकती हूँ, जब आप इसे रेगुलरली प्रैक्टिस करोगे, आपका स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी, ओवरवेल्म, ये सब काफी कम हो जाएगा. आपका स्ट्रेस कम हो जाएगा, इमोशनली आप चीज़ों को रेगुलेट कर पाओगे, इम्पल्सिव नहीं रहेंगे, मतलब हम ओवर रिएक्ट नहीं करेंगे, फोकस बढ़ जाएगा. बिकॉज एनी थिंग इफ वी डू हाफ हार्टेडली, वी कैन नॉट गिव जस्टिस. हम वो चीज़ को जस्टिस नहीं दे सकते. उसमें हमें जो रिजल्ट मिलना चाहिए, प्रोडक्टिव मिलनी चाहिए, वो नहीं होगा. सो जस्ट आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू क्लोज योर आइज एंड रिफ्लेक्ट जनरली हाउ योर डेज गोज. When you're at your workplace, just scan your day when you get up in the morning, or let's do it for today. Close your eyes, आंखें बंद कीजिए. Just check out when, at what, around what time you got up in the morning. किस वक्त आप उठे थे. How was your mood at that time? And then first half of the day till 12 p.m. क्या चल रहा था दिमाग में most of the time? You are happy, unhappy, how were your energies? What was going on in your mind? Then check in afternoon. How was it? कैसा था आपका दोपहर? आप स्ट्रेस थे, वरीड थे, या हैप्पी थे, जॉयफुल थे? किन लोगों से मिले आप? उनके साथ आप 100% थे या अपनी दुनिया में कहीं खोए थे? आप जो काम कर रहे थे उसमें आप 100% थे, या आप एक्शन में कुछ और चल रहा था, दिमाग में कुछ और चल रहा था? एंड देन इवनिंग, हाउ वाज योर इवनिंग? ओके, ओपन योर आईज, आंखें खोलिए. सो व्हाट यू ऑब्जर्व्ड? माइंडफुलनेस अगर हम पूछेंगे तो कितने माइंडफुल थे आपको लगता है? यू आर माइंडफुल 1 to 10. 10 is like a very high level of awareness. Like your thoughts, your words, your actions, behavior, it was in sync, it was aligned. 7 or 8, 6, 5, 4. Great, good. The idea is to just check out. Okay, it's not about judging yourself or other. It's just about you knowing yourself, so that आपको पता चले आपको कहाँ जाना है. जब हमें पता है कि हम यहाँ हैं, तो कितने एफर्ट्स लेने, ये हमें ध्यान में आएगा. शायद आप में से कुछ लोग ऑलरेडी कुछ चीजें प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो जिससे आपको मदद हो रही है, कुछ और चीजें हमें ऐड ऑन करनी है. दैट्स इट, दैट वाज द आइडिया. सो द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ माइंडफुलनेस इज बेसिकली द अवेयरनेस ऑफ योर थॉट्स, दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, आपके इमोशंस, आप कैसे फील कर रहे हो, एंड देन व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. आप जहाँ रहते हो वहाँ कंप्लीटली रहते हो या नहीं. एंड देन दैट्स व्हाट द बीइंग प्रेजेंट, बीइंग अलाइंड, एंड देन बीइंग नॉन जजमेंटल, कि क्या चल रहा है, एक्सेप्टिंग इट कम्प्लीटली, वो चीज़ को कम्प्लीटली एक्सेप्ट करना. सो जब हम माइंडफुलनेस प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो हमें किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है? अवेयरनेस, कि हम क्या चल रहा है उन सब चीज़ों का अवेयरनेस रखेंगे. हम जजमेंटल नहीं रहेंगे कि ये क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है, वैसा क्यों हो रहा है, ये क्यों ऐसे कर रहे हैं, आप क्यों ऐसे सोच रहे हो, ये सब नहीं सोचना है हमें. वी हैव टू बी जस्ट नॉन जजमेंटल, एंड देन ट्राई टू बी प्रेजेंट. So in a day also, multiple times, if you keep telling yourself, I am present here completely, mentally, emotionally, physically, now you can do that. Just close your eye and just affirm that I'm completely present in this moment, in this session. Mentally, emotionally, physically, I'm here. I'm here. I am present. Okay, open your eyes. So I hope you understood what is mindfulness. It's all about being present. Okay. Now, the first technique I would would like to share, which I'm practicing from last few months, is uh, different points of the time जहाँ पे आपको लगता है आप overwhelm हो गए हो, or whenever you are changing from one thing to another, this practice you can do. Generally, I do it when in the morning I do at home, when I go to my center, my office, I do that. In evening I try, and in again I night I try. So what you have to do again, quickly bring your awareness to the present moment, then see 5 things around you. Let's do it. कोई भी 5 चीजें आपके आजू बाजू है, उसको देखिए. Any 5 things. Just make a note of it. Any 5 things. Okay. Now take a note of 4 things you can touch. Just touch and see. Any 4 things you can touch. Touch and see. Okay. 3 things you can hear. आप 3 चीजें क्या सुन सकते हो? So 5 चीजें आप क्या देख रहे हो? 4 चीजें आप कौन सी टच कर रहे हो? अलग अलग चीजें, फैब्रिक्स, एनीथिंग अराउंड यू, टच एंड फील. और 3 चीजें आपको क्या सुनाई दे रही है? आवाज. You can just close your eyes and just be aware. It can be the noise of your AC, fan, vehicles, someone at home, any 3 things. 3 चीजें जो आप सुन सकते हो. Then 2 things you can smell. See if you can smell. 2 चीजें जो आप स्मेल कर सकते हो. And 1 thing you can taste. It can be a sip of water. Just anything if you have. 1 thing you can taste. It has taste. It has some taste. Water has some taste. Okay. Just observe, how do you feel now? Do you feel more calm, more composed? How many of you can feel that? Those who are pranic healers, I would just like you to scan your Ajna chakra now, Ajna chakra. Just scan your Ajna chakra now. Your solar plexus now. Front and back solar plexus. If you can scan your spiritual cord, your Antakarna. Now. Just mentally say now. Now, before the session, scan. Scan your spiritual cord. Scan your Ajna. Scan your solar plexus. Scan your heart before and now, before the session and now. What changes you can observe? क्या changes महसूस हो रहे हैं? It's increased. Yes, it's bigger. And is it balanced? Our Ajna is balanced with our solar plexus chakra. It's increased, dense. Antakarna is increased, it's balanced than before. So mindfulness practice, if you do this, simple. क्या क्या हमने कहा? 5 चीजें कौन सी आप देख सकते हो? 5 things you can see. 4 things you can touch. 4 चीजें आप जो छू सकते हो. 3 things you can hear, जो आप सुन सकते हो. 3 चीजें. 2 चीजें which you can smell. And 1 thing you can taste. Anything. And when you taste, if you can keep it in your mouth for some time and feel it. Now, I would like to request you do this every day, at least once. If you can do more number of times, fantastic. This will bring everything at one place. It will help you to be present. Are we clear with this first technique? Yes? Is it easy? How much time? Hardly a minute or two it will take. Not much. So whenever you are changing from one thing to another, you can do that. Like आपके जो एक्टिविटीज है, जब आप चेंज कर रहे हो कुछ, सो उस वक्त आप ये चीजें कर सकते हो. Then one thing we can do is just close your eyes for a minute or two and just observe your breath. Let's do that practice. Close your eyes, observe your breath. Don't control मत कीजिए, सिर्फ ऑब्जर्व कीजिए आपका इनहेलेशन और एक्सहेलेशन कैसा हो रहा है, वो ऑब्जर्व कीजिए. Now try to be aware of the gap between your inhalation and gap after your exhalation. आपको 2 सांसों के बीच का जो गैप है, उस पे अवेयरनेस ले जाना है. सांस लेने के बाद जो गैप आता है, सांस छोड़ने के बाद जो गैप फील होता है. ओके, जेंटली ओपन योर आईज. आंखें खोले. व्हाट यू कैन ऑब्जर्व नाउ. आपके इमोशंस कैसे हैं? व्हाट ऑब्जर्वेशंस? क्या फील हो रहा है? पीसफुल, calmer. And have you observed that your breathing is much more in rhythmic now? आपका जो ब्रेथ है वो काफी रिदमिक हो गया है. जो पहले शायद थोड़ा कम ज्यादा हो रहा था. It's much better now. So this is one more technique you can practice. So whenever you feel anxious या stress, आंखें बंद करके बस 1 मिनट के लिए, even if you do it for 1 minute or few cycles, that's sufficient. Don't let stress take over you. Don't let others comments take charge of you. दूसरों ने ये बोला, ये हो रहा है, वो. जब भी आपको लगता है बहुत दुखी हो, स्ट्रेसफुल हो, just do this activity. And one meal in a day, at least for 5 minutes. One meal in a day, at least for 5 minutes. Start doing mindful eating. Slowly eat. It can be just एक अंगूर हो सकता है, एक पीस हो सकता है खाने का. Anything. Just when you eat it, try to feel its texture, how it's feeling inside. If the taste, the texture, the smell, if you can feel. So pay full attention when you are chewing it. So at least 2-3 minutes, if not 5 minutes, 2-3 minutes a day where you can do mindful eating. Because when you eat, it gives lot of uh, it's like something physical is happening. So इससे आपका mindfulness काफी बढ़ जाएगा. This is the third thing which we can do. Fourth thing which we can do is pranayam. Any point of the day, if you are already doing its best, and when you do it, be fully present. If you don't know about any pranayam, you can just do simple inhalation, hold, exhalation, hold. Now, when you inhale, your abdomen should go out. When you exhale, your abdomen should go in. So जब भी mind overthinking करना चालू कर देगा, तो आप क्या करोगे? Just be aware of your breath. Inhale slowly, hold, and then exhale slowly, hold. And mentally what you will say? I am present. I am completely present in this moment. मुझे बताइए, आपके लाइफ में कभी ऐसा हुआ कि things were totally out of control? Even if you felt like that, life became better after that. Do you agree that we are a part of this entire system called as life? और यूनिवर्स और गॉड, परब्रह्मन, अल्लाह, हम भी उसके ही पार्ट है, आप और मैं. सो भगवान जैसे हर चीजों का ख्याल रख रहे हैं. एक छोटा सा बीज का पेड़ बन जाता है बड़ा, उसको फूल फल लगते हैं. एक छोटे से 2 सेल्स के एक ब्यूटीफुल बेबी बन जाता है. द वेदर इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ, द नेचर इज बीइंग टेकन केयर ऑफ. So the way the entire solar system, the planets, the different elements in our nature, the way they are working. Do you see that there is a rhythm, there is a harmony in the nature? Things are happening. So like that, we are also taken care of. आप और मेरा भी ख्याल रखा जा रहा है, हम भी उसी चीज के पार्ट है जिसका भगवान ध्यान रखता है. So we need to allow the higher beings, the universe and the God to help us, because अगर हम चाहे तो ही वो हमको हेल्प कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो एक छोटी सी प्रार्थना भी आपको बहुत हेल्प कर सकती है. So just when you do that, be aware of this part. Visualize a small light coming down and do prayer in your own language. आप खुद के लैंग्वेज में prayer करो. Any mantra chanting will also do. If you like. Now we are discussing about different techniques because आपको जो अच्छा लगे फिर वो आप कीजिए. So some mantra chanting in a day is also amazing. If you are not doing, try to start with 7 mantra chanting. सिर्फ 7. बहुत ज्यादा नहीं. It can be Om Namah Shiva, it can be Om Mani Padme Hum, it can be Gayatri Mantra, anything, 7 mantras. Repetition. That also helps us. So जब भक्ति योगा प्रैक्टिस किया जाता था, आप देखोगे बहुत वो माला जपते हैं, क्या हेल्प करता है? Of course, it raises our vibrations because of the divine words and the sounds which we do, and it helps us to get present, to be in the moment. So that is also mindfulness practice. So good, somebody shared that they do 108 Navkar mantra. आप जितना कर सकते हो good, नहीं तो as I said, even if you do it for a minute or two, that will also help you a lot. Those who are doing meditation, superb. Now if it's a guided meditation, then before meditation or after meditation, just be aware of your breath. Because guided meditation में हम लोग सुन रहे, we are there, but if you can take out some time where you are just aware of what's going on in your body. Shall we practice that? We'll do mass healing and then we'll guide you with that. So another thing is, again, gratitude, being grateful for the present things you are experiencing. So even if you are experiencing anger, we should practice gratitude for that as well. We are humans. What makes us humans? Experiencing all these different forms of emotions. So it's whether a sadness, it's a joy, or it's a anger or irritation, just be okay. I'm grateful for experiencing this. It means you are alive. You are not depressed. Depressed जो लोग होते हैं ना, वो कुछ फील नहीं होता है. आपको फिर भी कुछ फील हो रहा है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. Just be grateful that you are able to breathe. Just be grateful that you are able to walk, move, eat, digest food, breathe in, breathe out. So small things. Big things, of course, that though I always suggest write it down. Every day you should write it down, the gratitude list. But this I'm talking about in between the day, because it's not something separately you need to practice. आपको अलग से ये सब प्रैक्टिस नहीं करना. ये आपके दिन में आप कैसे ला सकते हो जिससे आप यू कैन बिकम अ बेटर पर्सन, मोर काइंडर टूवर्ड्स योरसेल्फ एंड अदर्स. दैट वी नीड टू सी. ओके, चल, let's do a practice and then I will do a mass healing. Close your eyes, just be grateful. Be aware of your breath. आंखें बंद कीजिए. Be aware of your inhalation. Be aware of exhalation. आप जो सांस ले रहे हो उस पे ध्यान ले जाए, जो आप सांस छोड़ रहे हो उस पे ध्यान ले जाए. And be aware of the gap. See if you can feel the breath touching the tip of the nose. देखिए अगर आप सांस को महसूस कर रहे हो जो आपके नाक को छू रही है. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Just relax your whole body. Mentally say, I choose to be present. I choose to be calm. I choose to be in peace. I'm grateful for this body. I'm grateful that I'm able to breathe in, breathe out. I'm grateful that I can hear. I can speak, I can feel, I can taste, I can eat, I can digest the food. I'm grateful that I can walk, I can move. I'm grateful that I'm choosing what is right for me to be in this session, to be in this present movement. I completely accept who I am and what I am experiencing now. I completely accept my thoughts, my emotions, my life. I'm grateful for all the experiences. I'm grateful to all the people who have helped me, to my parents. I'm grateful to each and every being. I'm grateful to the higher beings, God, my guru. And I choose, I'm making a conscious decision to let go of all the deep-rooted stress within me. Just mentally say, kahe man mein that you are letting go of all the stress, all the anxiety right now. लंबी गहरी सांस ले, सांस छोड़े. जितना भी तान तनाव है उसे जाने दे. Let go of all the mental stress, all the emotional stress in your system. Just smile. Keep mentally saying, I'm letting go, I'm letting go. Kindly switch on your video so that I can see you and heal you better. Mentally say, I'm letting go of all the physical stress in my muscles. Be aware of your feet. Relax them. Be aware of your knees, your thighs, your hips. Just relax. Relax every part of your legs. अपने पैरों को रिलैक्स करें. जो भी फिजिकल स्ट्रेस है हमारे मसल्स में, हमारे बोन्स में, हमारे सेल्स में, उसे जाने दे. Be aware of your trunk area. Let go of all the stress in your digestive system, all the blockages in your digestive system. Be aware of your gut. Gut is like a second brain for our body. Just let go of all deep-rooted stress in your gut area. नाभि के यहाँ पे अपना awareness रखे. वहाँ पे जो भी deep-rooted stress है उसे जाने दे. Visualize grayish prana going out from your body, from your abdominal area. Be aware of your chest. Let go of all the stress, emotional stress from that part, from your solar plexus, from your Manipur chakra. सारा तान तनाव जाने दे. सारा बोझ आज यहीं छोड़ दे. All the self-doubt, worry. Be aware of your lungs. Be aware of your heart. Your heart is getting completely cleansed. Your lungs are getting completely cleansed. Your respiratory system is completely cleansed. All the deep-rooted stress, anxiety, fear, and worry. You are letting it go. All the unexpressed emotions. Take a deep breath. Inhale from your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Like this. Inhale. Exhale through your mouth. मन में कहे कि सारे पेंट अप इमोशंस को, अनएक्सप्रेस्ड इमोशन को आप जाने दे रहे हो. You are emotionally getting completely cleansed and healed. Be aware of your throat area. Any unexpressed thoughts which are stuck, it's all getting disintegrated and removed. Be aware of your shoulders, your hands, जो भी बोझा है आप में, इमोशनल, मेंटल, गिल्ट होगा कोई भी प्रकार का, उसे जाने दे. You are surrounded by lots of healing angels, those who are helping you. Just take a deep breath, relax your shoulders. All the excessive responsibilities you're letting go, they are becoming lighter, cleaner. All deep rooted emotional, excessive responsibilities, the tendency to take it, you are letting go of all those tendencies. You know, you are God's child and you're co creating your life with God. And you don't need to take stress and excessive responsibility of everything. Everything is in alignment with the divine plan. You are at the right place at the right time, doing the right thing. And everything happened in your life was for your good. Good. आपके आत्मा के लिए जो भी सही है, वो सारी चीजें आपके साथ आज तक हुई है, हो रही है और होने वाली है. So let's accept everything. Be aware of your face, relax your facial muscles, your eyes, your lips, your cheeks. Be aware of your brain, relax your brain. Every cell of your brain, the entire nervous system is getting relaxed. Feel the flow of the light coming from the Supreme God, passing through our spiritual teachers, healing angels, healing minister, entering from the top of your head. आपके मस्तिष्क से ये ऊर्जा नीचे की ओर जा रही है, हर एक सेल में, हर एक ऑर्गन में जा रही है. The energy is moving down. It's flowing to every cell of your body. All the blockages in your meridians, in your chakras are getting disintegrated and healed. Any worry, anxiety of past and future is getting disintegrated. Just mentally say, Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Mentally say, let go of all deep-rooted sadness, any pain, any sorrow. कोई भी प्रकार का दुख होगा मन में, उसे जाने दे. Just smile. Let go of all the doubts, all the worries of the future. Just let yourself know we are part of divine plan and everything like in the nature is happening right with us at the right time. We just need to flow and surrender ourselves to this beautiful life. Just mentally, I surrender myself to my higher self, to my Guru and God. I am flowing with the flow of life. My life is like a nice music, and everything is playing nicely in a harmony. Everything is balanced. Everything is good for my higher self. Let the will of my higher soul, let the will of my Guru be manifested. I surrender myself to the higher beings, to the higher power. Visualize a beautiful being in front of you. You can visualize in a guru, any god, goddesses you believe in. Visualize they are smiling at you and they're just telling you, I am with you. Visualize a brilliant light coming from them to you, entering every cell of your body, every chakra, all the chakras are blooming. They are all getting aligned with each other, aligned with your higher self. You can visualize this being smiling at you. एक बहुत खूबसूरत से देवी देवता या आपके गुरु को आप सोचिए अपने आगे कि वो आपकी तरफ देख के मुस्कुरा रहे हैं और आपको कह रहे हैं कि जो भी आपके जीवन में हो रहा है, हुआ है पास्ट में या फ्यूचर में होने वाला है, वो सब आपके अच्छे के लिए है और मैं आपके साथ हूँ और हमेशा रहूंगा. And whenever you feel that you are alone, just call me. I will be there to help you to be a better person. वो देवदूत आपको कह रहे हैं कि आपको जब भी जरूरत होगी मुझे बुलाइए, मैं आपके साथ हमेशा रहूंगा. You can visualize that higher being, it's becoming giant, bigger and bigger. Very huge. अब सोचिए देवदूत, देव आपके गुरु बहुत विशाल रूप में उन्हें देखे कि बहुत पावरफुल है. And a light from their one hand is the being is blessing you, and this light is entering from coming to your crown center, going deep down to every cell of your body. And the being is telling you, you are being loved, you are cared, I am with you. Now visualize this being becoming small, small, small. ये देवदूत जो विशाल रूप में हमने सोचे थे वो बहुत छोटे छोटे हो रहे हैं, सोचे. And this being is entering into your heart. A part of the being is entering your heart and it's there with you. ये देवदूत का एक छोटा सा हिस्सा छोटा होके आपकी ओर आ रहा है, आपके हृदय में है. Just visualize all your chakras are brighter, bigger. Just know that this higher being is with you now. Mentally say, I choose to be present, I choose to be calm, I choose to be at peace, I choose to surrender myself to this higher being to guide me, help me, protect me, to be a better soul, a better human being. All these energies are getting stabilized. Every cell is full of peace and joy. Lord God, thank you for assigning healing angels to all of us to continue our healing. To the assigned healing angel, thank you for being with us. Thank you for keeping our chakras aligned and balanced. To the Supreme God, to my spiritual teacher, to all the spiritual teachers, holy masters, holy angels, archangels, all the great ones. We are thank you for all the priceless blessings and healing we all have received. Please bless us with inner strength so that we all choose to be more mindful about our thoughts, emotion, words, and actions. With thanks and in full faith. Thank you. Open your eyes. Namaste. So let's quickly revise the techniques which we learned. So first we spoke about quickly bringing your attention, awareness to the present moment. Then 5 things which you can see. 5 चीजें जो आप देख सकते हो. 4 things you can touch. 3 things you can hear. 2 things you can smell. 1 thing you can taste. देन वी स्पोक अबाउट माइंडफुल ब्रीथिंग, जहाँ पे आप इनहेलिंग और एक्सहेलिंग के बीच में जो होल्ड होता है उस पर आप ध्यान देते हो. बी अवेयर ऑफ द एयर टचिंग योर नोज. Then we spoke about mindful eating. You can also do mindful walking, where you're just walking and just being around, being aware of the ground you're feeling, the breeze or the air, and just take it slowly and just be mindful about each movement. उसके बाद में हमने प्राणायाम के बारे में बात किया, मंत्र चैंटिंग के बारे में बात की हमने, एंड जस्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग ग्रैटिट्यूड इन बिटवीन द डेज टू and making a conscious choice to be aligned mentally, emotionally, verbally, and in action. And every day, you keep taking this action, you will see a different power will come in your personality. You will become more magnetic, more loving. You will not need to say much. आपको कुछ ज्यादा बात करने की नहीं जरूरत पड़ेगी. लोग ऐसे ही आपसे impress हो जाएंगे because they can feel the calmness. Just देखिए, जब पानी में बहुत हलचल होती है, can we see the things as they are inside the water? No, but when the water is silent, we can see what's there inside, right? Like that, जब हमारा mind balance हो जाएगा, जब हमारा mind calm हो जाएगा, हमारे emotions calm हो जाएंगे, we can make better decisions. Hmm? We will know what's right, what's wrong. We can choose things better for us. Hmm? So it is a very important practice. We should all aim for doing it regularly. Your life is decided by your habits. Habits can make you or break you. So let's choose to inculcate lot many new habits in this year and keeps practicing it. Okay. Thank you so much once again for joining us. We are grateful. Thank you so much for all this. Thank you. Take care. Atma Namaste.